Hello everyone, let's start with the intraday for the US stock market, NASDAQ, SPX, and Dow Jones. And starting with NASDAQ as usual on the 1 hour chart, where we have a 1, 2, 3 here, very nicely entering our blue zone as expected today. 25K here is very likely to be taken as 1.618 Fibonacci level, and we're looking at a potential wave 3. Right now, it is a safe wave 3, by the way, since we're entering this zone area. And that means, yes, we are very likely in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, pushing toward the upside. This impulse is not yet done. It's far from being done, guys. And we are still looking here at a large 1, 2, 3, and then wave 4. And wave 5 is extending. And as I mentioned today in the daily, we mentioned that a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5 might still be unfolding here to reach as this 1.618 for this target. So yes, in a way or in another, the 1.618 somehow will be taken, and we might see, of course, a wave 3 over there finished. Very interesting for this impulse, what is going on with the US indices, and we might see, of course, new all-time high for most of them, as we mentioned also today in the daily analysis. So on the 1 hour chart for SPX, we are looking at the same 1, 2, and we have another 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. The wave 5 is still unfolding and a little bit far from being finished before hitting this 1.618. As we can see, a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then wave 3 here is still unfolding, and then a double 4, 5, 4, and a 5 to reach, of course, this area, as we mentioned today also in our daily analysis again. So, yep, I would say nothing to add. Everything is perfectly unfolding, guys. Nothing to add or contradict here myself. So, I would say, as bearish, it's hard to be bearish here, especially in this zone. Of course, we're going to see the signal after it. I mean, if we are very, very impulsive downward, expect this a little bit because your wave 2, by the way, is shallow. Therefore, expect a little bit deeper wave 4. So be ready for some fear after it. But basically, we might still, of course, if the price stays above the invalidation of bullish, that means that we are looking for higher. Yeah, so very, very interesting. For Dow Jones as well, finally Dow Jones, our chart itself is updated, and we have a 1, 2, and then wave 3, 4, and a 5. Still unfolding very nicely for Dow Jones. I'm still looking at an unfinished impulse as well. Very likely in a 1, 2, and another 1, 2, in a wave 3, and then 4, 5, 4, and a 5. Might still be unfolding there. By the way, where are our target here? What a shame. Shame on you, KG, right? There you go, guys. Our target, here we go. So this is our 1.618, where we have 48K 786 as, of course, wave 3 to be finished also exactly. So most of the indices are looking for the same 1.618 as a wave 3 for all of them, guys. NASDAQ, SPX, and Dow Jones. So very interesting. What a turnover for the US stock market, guys. That was it for the intraday. Nothing to add, guys. Everything is looking perfect, I would say, as expected. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.